need a reach around, you know? Can you find out how to get a guy off? There's a whole section in the book.
Let us fans teach you how to suck cock.
Well, actually, they do. There's gay men that give oral sex parties to women. They do? Yes. Who knew you were such an expert on sex? Well, I've been around a lot. I've been around hanging out. I've been in and out. How many women have you banged in your life? Honestly. I have no idea. Now that you're a sex expert, you should give that. I have no idea. The book is not a sex book. It's a funny book. Seems like it is. There's one chapter, and you're pulling them all out of that chapter. The other thing I got, which is not as important as the other ones, but he said that men should always put a lock on their bathroom door so that your wife or girlfriend never catches you jerking off. No, that is not in the book. It is. You don't know that is? Did you read the book? Do you agree with the book? I didn't write that section. I don't remember that one. I know there's a section in there that says that a man's job is with a woman is to make her feel like she's got a great ass all the time. That's true. I'm good at that. Yeah. Women are very insecure about their ass. And most women, the reason they like shoes is when they go down, they all think they're Cindy Crawford. You should always compliment their shoes. There's a lot of little things in there. Light a match after moving your bowels. There you go. Always. A lot of these celebrity books, a lot of times I interview people who write books, and they are somewhat embarrassed by what they write. But for some reason, Charles Barkley wrote his own autobiography, and they read it to him and they asked him questions. I never said that. I know because I've been misquoted.
Right, it was his biography.
It was his biography. Context, you can make it sound enough. What is it, Gary?
We did that on our show. Aerosmith. You rented it from the book, and they're like, we didn't write that, and then we read the passage.
It's happened several times. Anthony Kiedis said Ratso totally fabricated a story. About when he was a kid, he saw Cher naked or something, and Kiedis was like, that's not true. You're fucking butt.
That's a good book. Publishers Weekly gave it a review, and so it's a comedy book. Well, it's very funny. There's some poignant moments in there. There's some stuff about John in there that you probably hear like to read. Oh, yeah. And some about relationship. This is about Johnny's pussy. Johnny pussy. You know what? I don't know if he did or not. You say in your book, I think, that he was, I don't know if you said this in your book or I read it somewhere, that he was more like a uncle to you than even a brother because... Oh, no. What really happened was my dad, when he lost his business, my dad, I mean, he was a real fallen warrior as far as medicine. Right. He lost his restaurant to the Chicago mob, and he sat in the backyard for like 3 years. I loved him dearly. John all of a sudden became the dominant figure in the family. Right. And, whoever makes the most money in the family is the head of the family. So once John, when John died, the family kind of fell apart. It was a tough time. Because they were and the basis of character, we kind of hid behind John. So when John died, I realized that I had no character. And that's really what the start off of the book is about, is like, trying to become a man, dating in relationships. I don't mean to play psychologist here, but maybe the pressure on John to lead the family at that young age maybe drove him to drugs and stuff. What do you think of that theory? I don't think that's correct, Howard. No? No, I don't think so. I think drugs were all about the subject. They were all into drugs. But, there's a great title to a book someday about John, and I think the title's called A Casualty Along the Way. A lot of guys did. Yeah, there's a casualty along the way. I'm like in a knob, and the one guy went down. That's it. He just was wrong spot at the wrong time. Hendrix was into drugs, and then choked on his own vomit. Yeah, well, that... What? I think that throwing up had to do with the drugs. It did? Yeah. Insane, though.